I'm Andrew Monkhouse, and I'm the president of Monkhouse Law Corporation and the managing partner of Monkhouse Law. The first time I was ever in court, I thought I would lose. The judge would know the other lawyer who'd been a lawyer for 20 years, and I would have made some mistake. But in the end, I won. My client's case was better, and we were able to be successful. And this showed me that even if you haven't been doing something for as long, if you do it better and you have a good product or a good client story, that you can win and you can succeed. After articling at a large firm, I found that the best way to help people was to start my own firm so that I could be in direct control of making sure that they had great client experiences. It was scary starting my own law firm. However, everybody has an element of imposter syndrome. Everybody thinks others maybe know more than them. You need to get past that and be able to put on a persona so that you can help your client the best you can. They need comfort from you. They don't need someone who's doubting. At the end of the day, you're the one who's going to be giving them that comfort, and you're the one who's going to be helping them. I grew up in a small suburb outside of Ottawa, and I never really imagined that I would have my own law firm of 30 people at Bay and Wellington in downtown Toronto, but it's been quite a ride. Law is very regulated, and so it meant a lot for us that even with that regulation, we were able to be a top growing law firm, and it really meant that we were helping a lot of people, and that's very important to me. Humber College, because of their history, has a real strength in academia and teaching. That's why we often hire Humber graduates and have found them to work out very well for us. I'm very proud to have been involved in the Osgood Cup, and I've been working on it for 14 years now. The Osgood Cup is Canada's largest mooting competition, which is a legal skills competition. People play act as lawyers in a fictional appeal. When it first started, college students didn't compete. We changed that and said that college students should be able to compete against undergraduates, and been very pleased to now have past winners from colleges at the Osgood Cup. To all the Humber graduates, I want to say congratulations. You're at the start of your career. It's exciting, it's interesting. Hard work and perseverance is very important. At the end of the day, you are only what you make for yourself. And just because someone's been doing something longer doesn't necessarily mean that they've been doing something better. Your job as an employee is to try to make yourself irreplaceable. So if you set a goal and you say, I want to do X, I want to be a managing partner, I want to be the president of my own company, you can make that goal happen if you find a way and a path to get to that goal. Your career is in your hands, it's open before you, and I encourage you to make the most of it. Again, from all of us, congratulations.